Leadership in the classroom is evolving. The old command and control approach, it's no longer enough. Today's students, Generation Alpha, are ready to lead. Are you ready to guide them? In Collaborative Leadership for the Classroom, leadership scholar Don Broadwell introduces a bold new way to engage students through collaboration. Learn how to make leadership exciting, reduce stress, and create a learning environment where every voice matters. From ancient wisdom to modern psychology, this book explores how shared leadership fosters creativity, critical thinking, and lasting success for students, teachers, and communities alike. Collaborative Leadership in the Classroom is a must-have guide for any teachers looking to create a thriving and inclusive classroom. Collaborative Leadership for the Classroom, Leading Generation Alpha Students by Don Broadwell, because together we lead best. Available now on Writers Branding, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and with over 2,000 partner vendors nationwide. Lead the change, inspire the future.